All right, so we are going to talk about how to make money with copy and pasting ads on social media. All right, because that's the way I promote. I just copy and paste free ads on social media like Facebook or Facebook groups, right? Now let's look at the store that I am promoting right now. So all I do, this is the online store that I am promoting. So if you have been following me, you'll be used to this. So these are the products in the online store, and you can get this same online store, okay? And you can see that. Look at all the products, over 20 products, and it only costs just $7 one time to get your hand on this online store. Just $7, and you get your hand on this online store, as you can see. Let me also show you something. Now, when I come here, where it says commissions, I'm going to click on that. And you can see already I am now at $10,344, right? Because with this online store, you have over 20 products. So it's like what we call a multiple income streams of income, right? So this, you just promote one link. It's called a mega link. And you promote that your one link, and that allows the visitors to that your link to have options to choose among all the products. And because they keep buying the product because they are high quality products, as you can see, the products, let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back here. Right, let's go straight to the products. Now, these products are softwares, apps, marketing systems, and coaching programs, okay? So these are awesome products that marketers are looking for. So the beauty is that most marketers are looking for these products, and then once they come to this site, they start picking them. And look at the beauty of it. If you know about Amazon, okay? Now, Amazon is an online store also, right? And Amazon has hundreds of thousands of products, right, on their site. It's the same thing, right? So what happened with Amazon is this. When people come on Amazon, they now have options to choose from any product in the store there in Amazon. Okay, so and Amazon is fully automated, right? You know how Amazon works. So how does that happen? When you come on Amazon and then you choose the product you are looking for, Amazon quickly tells you, hey, check out this other complementary product, because most products need there has to be a complementary product with it. Imagine you buy glasses like this on Amazon, right? The next thing Amazon will tell you, look at the glass container, right? Or look at the glass cleaner. No, they just give you these options so that at the end of the day, you just find out that even though you came to buy one product, you will just end up buying like 3, 4, 5 products. Now, that is the same way the mega link online store work, right? You could come and just choose one of these products, but they will tell you, hey, look at this other complementary product. And then if you are still interested in those complementary products, you buy. That's how I am able to make like 2, 3, 4 sales some days, because, that's the way stores are built, right? And this online store is built that way so that you could have options, right? And choose any product of your choice. And that is amazing. And that's how I make money with the online store. People in my team, that's how they also make money. It's incredible how much we can make, right? Just look at this simple $7 online store and just imagine this. Look at the amount of commissions that I have made with it. $10,344 from a $7 online store, guys. From a $7 online store. And you'll be thinking, why is that possible, right? Because you only promote one link and you could earn commission from over 20 different products. And these products are low ticket products, medium ticket products, and high ticket products. So you could potentially earn commissions of $7 all the way to $2,000. And look, man, it's amazing. It's amazing how awesome. And you don't have to do anything of your own. Everything is done for you. All right. So all you do, just like I'm going to tell you right now, you copy and paste free ads on social media. That will attract a lot of people to your link. And once they put in their name and email, the system takes over, right? It's automatic. The system follows up with your lead and closes the sales for you. It does all the follow-up, right? It even continues to invite your leads to webinars, to trainings, and it's just awesome how it works. Fully done for you. But the beauty is the fact that you could earn commission from over 20 different products. Now, let's talk a little bit about how I promote this, my online store. Now, the way I do it is very simple. I just post images and videos on Facebook and Facebook group about the mega link. That's all I do, right? If you go on my Facebook profile now, you just see me posting images and videos about the mega link online store, and that's the way I get people's attention, and it's free, right? That's why we say you copy and paste free ads on social media. Now, when you check when you join the mega link, they are going to give you some training, right? Especially on Facebook marketing, because that's the easiest place to start getting your sales. So they are going to train you on Facebook marketing. They are going to give you images, videos, reels, and all you do, you just download those things. They are free, right? So you download them. That is the copying. When you download, you are copying it, and then you start posting them on social media like Facebook groups, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. And look, remember, you didn't create any of these things. Now, you just post them on those sites. And when you do that, you are able to get attention of people. And that is how, once they come on the site, they see this magnificent online store. And when they decide to get their own, they pay their $7. You make some commissions. And if they buy any other thing in the store, and I tell you, they are buying. If they buy any other thing in the store, you make more money. How do you like that? Is that not awesome? That's awesome, right? All right, guys. Look. If you're interested in getting your own mega link online store right now, it's very simple. Just go to the link in my description or on my profile. Click that link, pay your $7. It's just $7 one time. Pay your $7, get your own online store, download all the images that you need, and start posting them on Facebook and Facebook groups to grab the attention of people and start making some easy money for yourself, all right? And look, if you have questions, you can private DM me. And if you like this video, please click the like button and the share button also. We want more people to be aware of this simple way of making money. Everybody needs to get their own online store. And this is your opportunity to get an online store for as little as $7. How do you like that? Awesome, right? So go ahead, go to the link right now, put in your name and email, and then pay your $7 and get your own mega link online store. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.